Next, may I invite our chief guest, the Deputy Chief of Mission, Mr. Sanjay Panda, on stage, along with Mr. Deepak Mathil and Mr. Hemant Vishal. Please come on stage. Good afternoon, sir. It's a pleasure to have you here.
On the occasion of Ojima Indians Diwali 2013, Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, we are proud and happy to have Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Sanjay Panda, who is Deputy Chief of Mission and Embassy of India. Mr. Panda has served Indian missions in Belgium, Jordan, France, Malaysia before coming to Japan. We are thankful to Mr. Panda for his services to nation and his encouragement and support for Ojima Indians. I would like to request Mr. Hemant Vishal to welcome Mr. Panda on behalf of Ojima Indians and whole Indian community. We would like Mr. Panda to invite to say a few words.
Namaskar, a very good afternoon to all of you. Let me start wishing you all a very happy and joyous Diwali. In fact, it has been such a pleasure to see so many members of the Ojima Indian community who are here. In fact, I must confess that I was really not aware that this is such a strong community and this is the kind of work that you have been doing since the last 4 or 5 years. And the performances which I saw just now, the effort that has gone in putting it together actually speaks volumes of the work that the community has been doing. I congratulate not only the office bearers, all the members, and all members of the community, and particularly the children, for putting in so much of effort. And this is the cultural synthesis that really will take our relationship forward. In fact, in the Indian Embassy, we come here for 2 to 3 years, and you are the permanent ambassadors of India in this country. So if the relationship has to take off, it all depends on you. I just wanted to also take this occasion to share with you how important this year has been. This is really a very special year because this is the first time that we have the Emperor and Empress of Japan, Their Majesties, visiting India in less than a month. In fact, we are all putting our best foot forward, and we want to ensure that this is a highly productive visit and no stones are left unturned in ensuring the success of this visit. And this has been a year that about 6 months back, we had Prime Minister Manmohan Singh visiting us, and now the Emperor and Empress, they will be visiting India. And a month later, we'll have Prime Minister Abe, who is also scheduled to visit, but the dates have not been decided as yet. So what I wanted to tell you that things are looking up, and India-Japan relationship, we must all remember, is actually the partnership of the 21st century. And it is the people-to-people contact which actually make this relationship go forward. There is very little which the governments can do. It comes down to the people. And in that sense, I would like to congratulate once again Ojima Indians for ensuring that there is so much of cultural synthesis and so much of work in promoting India-Japan cooperation. And on this joyous occasion of Diwali, the Festival of Lights, which I notice here is not a religious function, it's a social occasion where everybody is enjoying. And it's when we say that Diwali is the win over the good over evil, it's actually a social statement than a religious one. And I'm very happy that everybody is so wholeheartedly participating in this event. And once again, wish you all a very happy and joyous Diwali. Thank you. Namaskar.
Next, we have the prize distribution for the drawing competition and the photography competition. The judges for drawing competition were Mrs. Khyati Brahmabhat and Mrs. Chilpa Chothave. And for the photography competition, our judge was Mrs. Varsha Tiwari. May I invite Mr. Prasad Sathe on stage to help with distributing the gifts.
Hello everybody, happy Diwali to everybody. Now I will announce the names of the kids who has won the prizes. So in the group A, second prize goes to Mahika Radhakrishnan. Is Mahika here? Okay, first prize in group A goes to Sri Lekha Botsa. Okay, in group B, second prize goes to Sahasra Palinti. Sahasra, can you please come on the stage? In group B, first prize goes to Ruchita Kushwa. Is Ruchita Kushwa here? Okay. In group C, second prize goes to Lekha Mota. Sorry, first prize goes to Lekha Mota and second prize goes to Varshita Shri. Okay, in group D, second prize goes to Smriti Pyarelal. Smriti here. And first prize goes to Shruti Murugwal. Please come. Mahika Radhakrishnan from Group A. She is the second prize winner. On behalf of Smriti Parelal, Bharti will receive her prize on behalf of Smriti Parelal. Then in Group E, second prize goes to Disha Mota and first prize goes to Manasi Natraj. Can both of them come on the stage, please? In Group F, actually there is no competition. So we have received only one drawing from Mrs. Snehal Rasad. So she is unanimously won the competition. Is she here? Next we will distribute the prizes for photo. So there was a photo contest and in that second prize goes to Vibhor Singh, Vibhor Srilal. And first prize goes to Swati Shinde. Thank you, Pandaji.